So for this first method, I'm going to take a stick and simply remove a 1-inch piece. Now we're going to go ahead and tie our arbor knot around this toggle and our poncho. Here's our slip knot. Take our short end, do an overhand knot. Grab the long end, and then ratchet it down. Our ripped corner or our damaged grommet, going to land our cordage inside and simply fold it over. I'm now going to take this and create my small loop and go around 2 times. There's 1, there's 2, and on our 3rd pass we're going to create that same bite. We're going to place it inside, then take our long end and pull it tight. And once again, all we got to do there you go.